Children, we are on the topic of yesterday we had discussed about the western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. Let's continue with the topic, that is islands. So children, islands means that you know that we are having two big islands in our country. One of that island is situated here in the eastern part, that is Andaman and Nicobar, and that is next one, that is Lakshadweep. You can see here in the map, that is Lakshadweep Island. So children, beside mainlands, Indian territory also extend into the Arabian Sea. You can understand with the help of this map, Lakshadweep Island you can see here. Okay, so it will help you to understand the things. Nicobar Islands also there. Andaman and Nicobar Island also situated here. I think it is not mentioned here in the map, but you can see everything. If you are having atlases, you can see that India and Andaman and Nicobar Island, which is situated here. So children, it is important chapter for you. In the Bay of Bengal island, groups of 572 islands are situated here. They are situated roughly between 6 degree northern and 14 degree north and 92 degree east to 94 degree east. This is the area which is covered by the आइलैंड्स. सो बे ऑफ बंगाल में अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स हैं एंड अरेबियन सी के पास आपको लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड मिल जाएगा. सो चिल्ड्रन, दे आर सेपरेटेड. अंडमान, द एंटायर ग्रुप ऑफ आइलैंड इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू कैटेगरीज, द अंडमान in the north and Nicobar in the south. So Andaman and Nicobar Island is situated in the Bay of Bengal. They are separated by a water body which is called 10 degree channel. So you will see in the books also the जो आपका 10 degree channel है which is separated Nicobar from Andaman. Andaman is situated in northern direction and Nicobar situated in the southern direction, and it is separated by the water body which is called 10 degree channel. एग्जाम में आ जाता है 1 mark question में कि name the channel which is separated Andaman from Nicobar. So these islands are believed to be elevated portions of the submarine mountains. Smaller islands are volcanic origin here. Only Barren Island you can see in the Andaman and Nicobar map also. Barren Island having an active volcano. Okay, while the Narcomound Island is an extinct volcano. ठीक है. So I think you can understand active volcano meaning an extinct volcano. Active means जहाँ पर आज भी volcanic eruption हो रहा है. Extinct मतलब damaged, finished island. Okay, finished volcano. Some important mountain peaks are Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Saddle Peak is situated here, North Andaman में है. Okay, some other Thurier, Great Nicobar. These are the you can understand that is the Bay of Bengal में Andaman and Nicobar Island के बारे में. Now come to the Lakshadweep Island which is situated here. Okay, Lakshadweep Island is situated in the Arabian Sea. Okay, and the island of Arabian Sea is including Minicoy and Lakshadweep. These are scattered between 8 degree north to 12 degree north and 71 degree east to 74 degree east longitudes. These islands are located at a distance of 280 to 480 kilometers of the Kerala coast. ठीक है, केरला कोस्ट से ये 840 किलोमीटर्स के डिस्टेंस पर situated हैं. Okay, the entire island group is built of coral deposits. These are approximately 36 islands of which 11 are inhabited. Minicoy is the largest island with an area of 453 square meter. यहाँ पे Minicoy नाम का एक island है तो largest island है and its area is 453 square kilometer. So entire group of island is broadly divided by the 11th degree channel. याद रखिए 10 degree channel separated Andaman and Nicobar from each other, and 11 degree channel separated Minicoy from Lakshadweep. So north of which is in Ami Island, and the south Kannur Island is situated in Lakshadweep. So Lakshadweep की जो qualities हैं it's totally related to the islands, and there are 36 islands. Okay, so 11 are inhabited. So we have done our the island description today also बेटा. तो children western coastal region में differentiation आता है, west coastal and islands पे आता है. तो we had done this chapter with the 3 different things which categories जो हमने study करी थी, northern plateau, peninsular plateau, western coastal, eastern coastal region, islands. Okay, so please be careful to fill the map, and when I'll send the worksheet, please fill it, complete it and send it to me on my number. Thank you so much. We'll meet you in our next lecture.